Our senior BJP leader Yashwant Sinha, who very clearly expressed his displeasure and unhappiness over the name of Anshuman Mishra from Jharkhand seat. Sir, what was your reservation of appointing or at least filing nomination of Anshuman Mishra's name from Jharkhand seat in Rajya Sabha seat?
I don't know this gentleman, but I know this that he does not belong to Jharkhand. He does not belong to the party. And if the party had to put up a candidate from Jharkhand, we should have given the nomination to some senior party worker who has spent years in the service of the party. And even if we had lost that election, it would not have mattered because our MLAs would have remained intact and the person would have had a fighting chance with 18 base votes to win the seat. But that has not happened, and that's the reason why I am unhappy that an outsider, a rank outsider, has been imposed on the party in Jharkhand, and this is not in the interest of the party. So I raised this issue in our parliamentary party meeting this morning, and Mr. Advani has very kindly promised to talk to the party president on this issue. I am sure they will keep the sentiments of not only my sentiment, but sentiments which were expressed in support of my sentiment also in mind, and do the right thing.
Mr. Sinha, did you threaten to quit at the parliamentary meeting tomorrow over this issue?
No, why should I threaten to quit? I have raised it in the right forum of the party and I am expecting an outcome. So I have not threatened to quit. I have not said I will not participate in debates in Lok Sabha. Which is my right as a member of parliament. So I am very much with the party and I have absolutely no desire to quit the party on this or any other issue. If there is a point of view, I will express it within the party.
So, apart from you, who are the other leaders at the parliamentary meet who have the same views and have the same concerns?
Where your investigative journalism must come into play and you find out.
So one more question, last question. Who do you think deserves to be nominated from there? Mr. S.S. Ahluwalia only?
No, I am not taking any names. There are many candidates. In any case, that time is past because yesterday was the last date for nomination.
So you don't think that infighting within the party is leading to this? Mr. Gadkari is facing the heat now?
Conclusions are your responsibility, not mine.
Thank you so much for talking to us. That was Mr. Yashwant Sinha speaking exclusively to Times Now. With camera person Gopal, this is Savleen Singh in Delhi for Times Now.